people, it's me.
Oh my God!
Your friendly Audrey too. Let's put this talking to you.
Oh, I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Oh, am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't the Kansas need.
Something is very wrong here.
Relax and go with the dog. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need me some water in the worst way. Look at my branch. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I'm not sure.
Hey, little lady, tonight.
Just want water, right?
Don't you all drink it straight.
Well, your branches are drying, poor
Don't
thing.
need no glass of no ice.
Well, I get the can.
Don't need no twist of lime. Yeah, now it's summertime. Relax, sweetheart, and it'll be easier. Come on, join your dinner friend and Sominex. All right? Yes.
Here, leave her alone. Audrey, are you okay? Yeah. No. Oh, Audrey. Audrey, please don't die. I need you. You know, the plant just said the strangest thing. It said that Mr. Mushnick and Rovin were already inside. Oh, it's true. I fed them through it. That's what made it so big and so strong and you so famous. Audrey, I've done terrible things, but not to you. Never to you. But I want you to see me. What? When I die, which should be very shortly, give me to the plant so that it can live and bring you all the wonderful things in life that you deserve. Oh, Audrey, you know what you're talking about. But I do. It's the one gift I can give you, and if I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. In a way, we'll always be together. You'll wash my tender leaves. You'll smell my sweet perfume. You'll water